Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to repair the P0449 evap vent solenoid circuit on a 2014 to 2019 Chevrolet Silverado or GMC Sierra. The new GM part will come like this, where you actually have to cut a piece of the old part out and reuse it. Since this is my personal truck and a farm truck and I'm not really worried about it that much, I just have a little piece of hose here. You can run the full hose and run it to the back like it's supposed to be, but this, I've done this multiple times and it works perfect for me, so I'm going to do this on my personal truck. Okay, so this is our vent solenoid. It's actually located underneath of the driver's side, right underneath the door. What we're going to do is, you can see on the bottom part, I know you can't see the top part where it's connected to the canister, but on the bottom it's got this little push clip. Same way with the top. We're just going to go ahead and push it in the top, slide it down, or slide it out. You push that, it slides off. I'm going to go ahead and disconnect our, I actually had it disconnected already. Disconnect our connector by just pushing the centerpiece, sliding it down, and then take a little screwdriver or a pick tool, slide that out. Now this is your old hose, and you can reuse this piece of hose. I'll show you in a second. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and cut it closest to the first notch right here. Cut the piece of that first notch off. Now that I got all that disconnected, all you have to do, slide it out, slide it off. Okay, I got the old part right here and the new part. So when you're redoing this, you're going to use this piece of hose right here. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and take this hose, cut it off down here. Throw it on the floor because we obviously don't need it. We're going to take our new vent solenoid, open it up, slide our new hose in, clamp it down. Now, like I said, on the top where that hose is, you can actually stick the hose in this part. Right here, you actually have to add a piece of smaller hose, but you can run it in here, or you can use the piece that comes with it. And I'm just going to use the piece that comes with it. We're going to go ahead and slide our new piece on. So got a little bend there. Connect our vent hose and plug in our vent solenoid. Now, like I said, if you want to, you can take this piece of hose here, run it into a smaller piece of hose. I'll show you what I'm talking about. You could run this in here like this, and you could use the hose, but I'm just going to go ahead and use this one. And the reason that I'm going to use this one is because when I do my oil changes, I'll just pop that off, blow it out real quick. It's got some little stuff in here to keep the dust and all out, so it'll work better for my farm vehicle. And you're done. If you have any questions, follow me on Twitter at CDArno and send me a message. I always try to answer them. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And as always, if you haven't already, please go ahead and subscribe. Thanks again for watching. Click that subscribe button. Help me help you. Go ahead and give the video a thumbs up, or click one of these other videos wherever they are. Thanks again for watching.